7 lonely days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. I don't know why you'd run or what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, darling, for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you. In a cold Kentucky rain, in a cold Kentucky rain. I showed your photograph to some old gray bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said yes, she'd been here. Memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. I finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, where you bound on such a cold dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down,